Hello, boys and girls. This is lesson 12.5, Unit 12, Lesson 5. So we're going to do a little quick review. I'd like you all to have a piece of paper and a pencil. Please pause the video while you get this. Okay, welcome back. First question, which is the best estimate for the length of a paper clip? This is asking us, it says about 1 centimeter, about 3 centimeters, about 10 centimeters, about 15 centimeters. Notice we're no longer talking about feet, inches, yards. We're talking about centimeters. So the length of a paper clip, here is my ruler. This side is centimeters. So my choices are 1 centimeter, 3 centimeters, 10 centimeters, or 15. Well, I know a paper clip is not that big. I'm going to say that a paper clip is about 1 centimeter. Our next question is a quick review of something we've already done. What is the word form for 472? Please go ahead and write down your answer. A, 402. B, 422. C, 470. Or D, 472. Which of those sounds like this number? Number 3, what time will it be in 30 minutes? Write this time in 2 different ways. It is 6:45. See, the small hand is not quite at 7 yet. So look at the clock. Count by 5s till the big hand moves 30 minutes. The big hand is your minute hand. Write down the time on your paper. Finally, our last question. Lisa, turn it this way, it might be better. Lisa measured the length of a couch in inches. Dan measured the length of the couch, of the same couch in feet. Which person used more units to measure? Remember, we did earlier, my last video lesson that I did, I said if it's a smaller unit, you need more of them. Inches is smaller, feet is bigger. So if it's smaller, you need more. Feet, you need less. Which person used more units to measure? Explain. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to go on to our next lesson. I'm going to go down here to our student edition practice. At the top, since you don't have your student edition, it says 1 centimeter is smaller than an inch. I can also see this on my ruler. This side is centimeters, and this side is inches. I can see 1 inch, and I can see 1 centimeter, and I see that 1 centimeter is actually smaller than an inch. Start measuring from the 0 mark to measure to the nearest centimeter. Look for the halfway mark. If the object is longer than the halfway mark, use the greater number. So if you see that the box is greater than 1, it's even bigger than the halfway mark, we're going to estimate or predict that it's really, we're going to say it's 2 centimeters long. Here, they're using, if it's shorter, they're saying this paper clip is about 3 centimeters long. But that's a pretty big paper clip. So the length of a stapler, they're estimating it's about 15 centimeters. They actually measured it with a ruler and it was 18 centimeters. The height of a book. If you can take out a book that you have at home and use a ruler, you're going to stand the book upright. Then you are going to measure it starting at the 0. But you're first going to guess how many centimeters it is. It's probably not going to be 100 centimeters. It's probably going to be maybe 10 centimeters. We are doing the same thing with centimeters that we did with feet or inches or yards. Except instead of saying feet, inches, or yards, we're using the word centimeter. Centimeter and meters are really what they use in most other countries. It's a metric unit is what it's called. So it's asking for the width of a shoelace. That means how wide it is. Not how long your shoelace is, but how wide it is. It's pretty skinny. So guess how much? I'm going to guess that it's 1 centimeter. Then I'm actually going to measure it. And I'm going to find out it's actually almost less than 1 centimeter, but I'm going to round it and estimate that it is 1 centimeter. Same thing with a chair. Go ahead and try out number 4. Find a chair in your house and measure it.
You're videoing me.